Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your transaction history on your Paybis app. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To view your transaction history on Paybis app, tap open your Paybis application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside Paybis app, you'll be able to see your balance available on your wallet at the very top. Right beside it, you should see a button that says Transaction. If you give it a tap, you'll be able to see all of your transactions appearing on the next page. There is another way you can view your transactions. You can simply tap on the hamburger menu from the main home page at the top right hand. Now, tap on Transactions. All of your recent transactions will be available on this page. That way you'll be able to view your transaction history on Paybis app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.